Namaste. Today I am going to show fabricating masks. I am going to show two different types of masks here. One we are using tags here and another one we are using elastic. Here the elastic helps in holding behind the ear, and for the other type we are using tags to tie around the head. Now I will be showing the markings of cloth. Mark the measurings as 9 inches for length and 9 inches for breadth of the mask. In the same way, mark the whole cloth. After marking, take a scale and draw a straight line, adding all the markings. Now the whole cloth is marked and we have drawn the straight lines. Now we are going to start cutting of cloth. After cutting, we will get the pieces like this. They are 9 cm in length and 9 cm in breadth. Now we have prepared the cloth for stitching, and now I will be going to show you the procedure for stitching the masks. Now we have marked the cloth for the tag purpose. The total length of the tag is 26 inches and the width is 1.5 inch. The upper portion of the tag is 13 inches and the lower part is 10 inches and the middle 3 inches is for the mask. Now we are cutting the cloth. Now the cloth is ready for the tag. We have to fold it on both the edges so that the raw edges are inserted inside. Now again we have to fold it in the middle. Now the tag is ready for stitching. As we have already discussed, the length and width of the mask is 9 inches. We have to fold the edges of the mask cloth also. Now we have to fold the masks into 3 folds like this. Like this we have folded the masks and it looks like this. Now we have to add the tag to the mask. Take the tag and start stitching it. Here you can see the marks. Now we are inserting the center part of the mask here in between the tag. Carefully stitch it. Likewise, we are attaching the tag on the other side also. In between these markings, we have to insert the mask carefully, fold it over it and start stitching over it. The mask with the tag is ready. Now we are showing how to fabricate a mask with elastic thread. For that, the measurement of the cloth will be the same. We have to stitch the raw edges and fold it like this. Then for the elastic, the measurement will be 5 inches. 2 pieces of 5 inches elastic will be required. Now I will show how to stitch the mask. Top and bottom part of the masks. Now we are adding the elastic to this. First, fold a little part of the cloth, insert the elastic into it and fold it once again. Now start stitching over this. Do a rough work here, little bit slowly. We have stitched on the one side. The same we are stitching it here. The same procedure. Stop here and take the other end of the elastic. Insert it here. Insert it here. Fold the cloth. Take a straight stitch over the elastic. This is how it looks now. We have to fold this into the bits. Likewise, stitch on the other side. Now the mask with the elastic is ready. In this hour of crisis, we all are fighting against COVID-19. To protect ourselves from this pandemic, wearing mask is a must. So, the employees of Southwestern Railways Yeshwantpur are lending their hand and contributing their bit by fabricating masks, which are the need of the hour. We are fabricating masks with the cloth and trying to help our railway staff. Thank you.